In this video, we will highlight 5 crypto altcoins that are set to explode after the Bitcoin halving. Based on current estimates, it will take place on April 19, 2024, once the network reaches a block height of 840,000. Note that these estimates are constantly changing and automatically update on each block. As we approach the halving, these predictions will become more accurate. We will soon see how the market stabilizes after the halving occurs, and the current bearish market sentiment will likely turn bullish again. Wondering where to purchase these altcoins? I recommend BitGet as my exchange of choice. Founded in 2018, BitGet is a globally recognized crypto exchange, serving over 20 million users from more than 100 countries. BitGet has officially launched the ecosystem token for the BitGet Wallet, BWB. New users who download the BitGet Wallet app and create their first wallet during the campaign period will receive 50 BWB points. These points can be unlocked after you make daily swap transactions totaling over $100 over any 3 days within the campaign period. The more BWB points you accumulate, the larger the airdrop you'll receive. Interesting fact, BitGet Wallet surpassed MetaMask in transactions last month, which is a huge achievement. Download the wallet app now using the link in the description. While you are here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated on all the latest crypto trends. Let's jump right in with our first project we would like to highlight, called Alephium. In the rapidly developing and ever-evolving world of crypto, Alephium stands out as a promising newcomer with a unique approach to scalability and efficiency. This innovative platform, dubbed ALF, brings a fresh perspective to the table, offering a hybrid architecture that artfully combines the robustness of the proof-of-work consensus mechanism with the scalability offered by directed acyclic graphs. The unique nature of ALF's architecture is designed to address and overcome the limitations that plague existing blockchains. By doing so, it enables the creation of a more robust, versatile, and dynamic ecosystem for decentralized applications. This, in turn, opens up a plethora of opportunities for different sectors, ranging from finance to gaming. One of the key advantages of ALF's hybrid architecture is its ability to handle significantly more transactions per second than traditional blockchains. This high throughput capacity makes it well suited for applications that require high volume transactions, such as financial platforms and exchanges. Furthermore, ALF's directed acyclic graph-based architecture eliminates the need for miners to wait for confirmations before adding new blocks. This innovative feature drastically reduces transaction times and boosts overall network efficiency, offering a seamless experience for users and developers alike. Security is a key concern for any decentralized network, and ALF addresses this through its proof-of-work consensus mechanism. ALF's versatility shines in its ability to support the development of new DeFi protocols and applications, facilitating secure and efficient financial transactions. It also provides a secure, scalable platform for creating and trading NFTs, a feature that is particularly relevant in today's digital art and collectibles market. In the world of gaming, ALF can also be used to aid the development of innovative, immersive blockchain-based games, offering gamers an enhanced, transparent experience. Beyond these applications, ALF also has the potential to streamline supply chain operations by offering a secure, transparent record-keeping system. This can improve the traceability and accountability of goods, enhancing consumer trust and efficiency. In conclusion, ALF is a groundbreaking Layer 1 platform that could revolutionize our interaction with decentralized applications. Its hybrid architecture, scalability, efficiency, and security make it an attractive choice for developers and users alike. It represents the next step in the evolution of blockchain technology, setting a new standard for what can be achieved in this exciting and rapidly evolving field. ALF currently has a market cap of 200 million. We believe the project has got many legs to grow and will hit a market cap of at least 25 billion in a bull run. That is a nice 125x from here. Our second project we would like to highlight is called Aerodrome. Aerodrome is a next-generation automated market maker designed to serve as the primary source of liquidity for Base. It's built on the robust Velodrome V2 tech stack and introduces a range of innovative features, including concentrated liquidity, automated voting, and a unique NFT marketplace. Aerodrome employs 2 tokens, Aero for utility and V Aero for governance. The latter, an NFT, allows users who lock their Aero tokens to become V Aero voters. This gives them a voice in the distribution of token emissions and the opportunity to earn rewards. Liquidity providers are incentivized to contribute liquidity to the system in exchange for Arrow tokens. Traders enjoy low slippage and minimal fees, and other protocols can rapidly build liquidity by locking v-Arrow and providing incentives. What sets Aerodrome apart? Firstly, its vote-lock governance model, which grants v-Arrow voters significant sway over the protocol's monetary policy. Secondly, a dynamic emission schedule for Arrow tokens that balances rapid growth with sustainability. Lastly, it reserves a quarter of its initial vote power for public goods, funding crucial ecosystem assets. In collaboration with the base team, Aerodrome is developing a unique public goods engine. This engine, a core part of Arrow, ensures liquidity for vital assets. The fees generated from these pairs are directed to the public goods funding and voting. As a result, the Arrow token becomes central to the ecosystem. Protocols that plan to integrate with Base will find Aerodrome a vital ally. The flywheel effect in Aerodrome is a compelling force behind its success. The Arrow token and Aerodrome's fundamentals create a self-reinforcing growth cycle. When the price of Arrow rises, liquidity providers make more money, incentivizing them to add more liquidity. Increased liquidity boosts trading volume, which raises protocol revenue. More people lock their Arrow tokens to generate income, encouraging even more protocols to participate. This virtuous cycle continually enhances the value of Arrow and the protocol itself. In terms of impact, Aerodrome is set to shake up the DeFi sector. Arrow is more capital efficient, community-driven, and flexible than traditional AMMs. And because it's the liquidity layer for Base, which is the fastest growing Layer 2 network this year, Arrow can become a big deal in the future. Arrow currently has a market cap of $250 million. Looking at how the project is being handled, a market cap of at least $20 billion can be reached in a bull run. That is a 80x from here. Our third project of this video is an AI project called DAI. 01 is a decentralized artificial intelligence ecosystem with a focus on data governance. They have developed a comprehensive DAI product suite, featuring a secure, modular, and interconnected platform for DAI tools and apps. Together with their 01 construct program and proprietary cipher chain, this suite forms a resilient flywheel, fueling the forthcoming DAI revolution with momentum. Their mission is to simplify the development process and enhance the discoverability, growth, and monetization of DAI products, while ensuring user data remains in the hands of its rightful owners, the users. At DAI, they believe that AI combined with blockchain technology is poised to become the largest vertical in the markets. Blockchain-based tokens will serve as the native digital currency, enabling AI systems to transact. DAI aims to promote the development and expansion of decentralized AI dApps. This objective is divided into three primary areas: establishing a sturdy infrastructure that enables creators to contribute, train, and host AI applications, tools, and models; facilitating the financial incentivization of open AI networks through crypto economics; and providing a resilient, decentralized infrastructure for the operation of dApps. 01 emphasizes three fundamental concepts for decentralized AI, namely data governance, decentralized node infrastructure, and AI tooling. Decentralization enhances data sharing across diverse datasets and fosters shared AI models for improved accuracy and performance. It also encourages decentralized model training for efficiency and privacy, creating new revenue streams for data providers. The creation of a distributed network of nodes improves security and scalability, while the focus lies in developing decentralized, globally accessible tools, free of charge. Holders of the DEAI token will be given precedence for early participation in three forthcoming Zero Construct Program project launches that are currently under wraps. DAI just announced a partnership with Netmind AI, setting a new milestone in the fusion of decentralized AI and blockchain technologies. As part of their commitment to fostering DAI innovation and growth, they have partnered with Netmind to further nurture the AI ecosystem. This long-term strategic partnership means that projects aligned with DAI benefit not only from their resources, but also gain an edge through Netmind's advanced technological offerings. This synergy amplifies the potential for projects incubated under the ZCP, ensuring their success in their respective fields. With goals both aligned towards a comprehensive AI ecosystem, this partnership ensures that DAI technologies developed are accessible and beneficial for all. In conclusion, DAI is emerging as a significant player in the AI space that keeps building and expanding, mounting a challenge to BitTensor's dominance. DAI currently has a market cap of 60 million. This project has a promising future, and it can reach a market cap of at least 20 billion during a bull run. That is an astonishing 330x from here. Now, let's do a deep dive into a top RWA project called Ondo. Stablecoins have become indispensable for several reasons. Primarily, they bridge the traditional financial world with the digital asset space, offering a stable medium of exchange in a traditionally very volatile market. In this evolving landscape, Ondo Finance is carving out its niche by revolutionizing real-world assets through its innovative product offerings. Ondo's approach centers around tokenizing stable, income-generating assets from the traditional financial world, thereby merging the best of both worlds: the reliability and familiarity of traditional finance with the efficiency and accessibility of blockchain technology. Ondo Finance represents a pioneering venture in the realm of cryptocurrency and decentralized finance. At its core, Ondo is dedicated to democratizing access to institutional-grade financial products and services through the innovative use of blockchain technology. This mission is rooted in the belief that blockchain can not only enhance the infrastructure of financial products and services, but also broaden their accessibility to a wider audience. The structure of Ondo Finance is split into two primary arms: the asset management arm and the technology arm. The asset management arm is responsible for creating and overseeing tokenized financial products. These products are intricately designed to embody the characteristics of traditional financial instruments, while leveraging the benefits of blockchain technology. On the other hand, the technology arm of Ondo is focused on developing decentralized finance protocols, which are integral to the functioning and scalability of Ondo's financial offerings. Ondo Finance has introduced a range of products that are easily accessible via their website. Each product is detailed comprehensively, covering aspects such as the underlying assets, operational mechanisms, expected yields, and eligibility criteria. A notable example is the USDY, US Dollar Yield Token, a unique offering in Ondo's portfolio. USDY is essentially a tokenized note, aimed at providing non-US individual and institutional investors with a combination of stablecoin accessibility and high-quality US dollar-denominated yield. A distinctive aspect of Ondo's approach lies in its protocol development. The protocols, once established, are designed to operate independently of Ondo. This independence is reflected in their governance and web interfaces, which are managed by separate entities, not controlled by Ondo. This separation underscores Ondo's commitment to creating decentralized and autonomous financial ecosystems. In the volatile realm of cryptocurrency, trust and security are paramount. Ondo addresses these concerns by collaborating with established, reputable partners in various operational aspects. For instance, the OUSG Fund, managed in partnership with BlackRock and involving entities like Citi, JP Morgan, and State Street, exemplifies Ondo's commitment to quality and security. Additionally, the use of Coinbase for crypto asset custody further reinforces this commitment. Ondo currently has a market cap of 1 billion. We believe that Ondo has the potential to reach a market cap of at least 50 billion in the future. That is a 50x from here. Our final project of this video is another AI altcoin besides DAI, called ORAIChain. We initially highlighted this project a year ago, when it had a market cap of 8 million. Now, it's at 140 million. However, we believe that the project still has substantial potential. Blockchain and artificial intelligence pervade many industries in our economy, yet their integration is unexplored, especially in the area of smart contracts. These are protocols or programs that are created to automatically execute, either documenting or controlling relevant actions and events. It does this based on its programming and the terms of a contract that's been specified. However, they remain under one limiting constraints in that they must follow strict rules, which prevents the use of an artificial intelligence model in any smart contract. The solution to this problem is being developed by ORAIChain. This is a data oracle platform, and it is designed to connect artificial intelligence APIs with smart contracts or other applications. With ORAIChain, a smart contract can be enhanced to securely access external artificial intelligence APIs. The focus of blockchains currently is the use of price oracles, but with ORAIChain, smart contracts will have access to reliable AI data, providing new and useful functionality to blockchains. As we've already mentioned, Ori chain is designed to enhance the utility of smart contracts by allowing them access to external APIs which are AI-driven. Current Oracle blockchains are primarily focused on price oracles, but Ori chain plans on changing all that. With Ori chain, dApps gain new and useful functionality by being able to use reliable external AI data. This is accomplished by sending requests to validators who acquire and test data from various external AI APIs. Once confirmed, the data is stored on-chain, ensuring its reliability and allowing it to be used as proof in the future. The AI marketplace on Ori chain is where AI providers are able to sell their AI services. This brings AI to Ori chain and rewards the providers with Ori tokens. There are a number of services that are provided, including price prediction, face authentication, yield farming, and much more. The AI providers benefit from hosting their models directly on Ori chain without the need for third parties. Using this mechanism allows small companies or even individuals to compete with larger entities in having their work featured in the AI marketplace. The AI marketplace is not the only piece of the AI ecosystem of Ori chain. There is additional AI infrastructure to support the AI model developers. The ecosystem includes a fully developed and functional web GUI to assist in publishing AI services more rapidly and with less trouble. Validators stake their tokens and receive rewards for securing the network. Other users are also able to delegate their tokens to existing validators and share in those rewards proportionally. Governance on Ori chain is done by the community in a DAO model. Anyone owning Ori tokens is able to participate in the governance of the network. While the project development team was responsible for creating the foundation for governance, it has now been automated and will forever remain in the hands of the community. Ori chain is being developed as a way to create smart contracts that are able to use AI models. On the surface, the mechanism being used by Ori chain seems similar to those used by Chainlink or BAN protocol. But Ori chain is more heavily focused on AI APIs and the quality of the AI models. Each user request includes attached test cases, and in order to receive payment, the provider's API must pass a specified number of test cases. Validators manage the test case features and the quality of the AI models, making Ori chain quite different and unique from other solutions. Ori has a market cap of 140 million right now. A market cap of at least 20 billion in a bull run is doable, and is roughly a 142x from here. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and put notifications on to stay updated on all the latest crypto trends.